Hello everyone, my name is Christina and welcome to Pick Up Vietnamese. Let's learn how to say I love you today. So in Vietnamese, there are two words for love. If you want to talk about a couple love, you could say yêu, yêu. If you are a girl and you want to express your love to your man, you would say em yêu anh, em yêu anh. If you are a man and you want to express your love to your girlfriend or your wife, you would say anh yêu em, anh yêu em. But what if you want to express your love to your friends only or parents? Hear how it goes. Thương, thương. I would say con thương ba to my dad, or con thương mẹ to my mom. Ba is dad, mẹ is mom, thương is love. So because I am their child, I would say con. Con is a child or a kid. I love you dad, con thương ba. I love you mom, con thương mẹ. So yêu is for the couple love and thương is for parents, friends. So now you know how to say I love you in Vietnamese. It's a very good chance to say I love you to your friends, husband, wife, or boyfriend, girlfriends. Let's say I love you to them today.